Hi, today I am going to share with you the most proudest thing of my Mando family. Myself Rakshan and my friend, close friend, Jivan, Kirti and Pranesh. We four are the best friends. We always have fun and learn.
I will kill you.
Namaste.
Morning, sir.
Super. Hey, what?
That's the reason. Mando is a exciting workplace. Yes, I really mean it. We care for each life because we make safety products. Quality is the best value to our customer. Our core value is integrity, frontier, and work together. That's why Mando is a respected company with best-in-class technology. Here, operating engineers and staffs all are equal. There is no partiality in between us. We share food, happiness, and all our sorrows. And also, we share knowledge and information in between us. Hi.
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 I don't know why this meeting happened, but
we always talk about best value to our customer. Best value to be delivered with zero defect quality. I think zero defect is possible. Is there any question?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, it may be possible, sir. But defect is everywhere, sir. It may be in food, agriculture, medicines, and all industries. Why do we worry about the small defect in our big product?
Let us take an example of our master cylinder seal. And master cylinder seal has been designed to operate in a non-mineral brake oil. And if you mix up the small contamination of mineral oil in the system, our seal will get collapsed and it will lead to a major accident on the road. So today you may not be able to realize if you are making a small mistake, whether it leads to a major disaster or not, but one day you realize.
Sir, you are always relating with life. I think no big problem was happened due to small mistake.
Do you aware of 1984 Bhopal situation in the chemical industry?
Yes, sir.
So what do you know?
It's a big disaster, sir.
Yeah, there was a major disaster due to small water leakage. And what happened was the cyanide tank got pressurized. It has gone beyond the level of the tank. Then many people have been killed. Okay, more than 5 lakh people have been injured. So we should deliver a zero defect to all our customers. And we are always connected with the human life. And we should deliver a safe products and uncomparable product quality to our customers.
Okay, sir. What do you have to do to achieve the zero defect, sir?
It's a good question. We are all from the different region of this country and we belong to different religion. As part of the religious, we follow Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, etc. Similarly, for our industry, what standard is our Bible or is our Bhagavad Gita? We should follow our work standard and check sheet meticulously, and that is the only way to achieve our zero defect. And first of all, we should change our attitude and mindset. That is the only thing which will lead to the zero defect.
Sir, please don't mind, sir. Talking about the zero defect up to this level is only for company development and profit only, sir. For us,
See, Rexan, beyond this, one thing keep in your mind. Okay, this world is very small, and whatever do as a mistake today, indirectly or directly, it will definitely affect you one day. Okay, that's what key message.
Pranesh, belt.
Already wait now.
Ayo, seat belt.
Hey, Kirti. Rakshan, don't think you are alone here. See, my mom, dad, always with you. That's why they are coming, no? Huh? Come on, yaar.
thanks. Thanks, Jeevan.
That's the spirit, yaar.
Hey, Kirti, if you go like this means, definitely we are not going to attend my sister UG
Yes,
function.
yes.
We will directly go for her PG function. See, Saroda is overtaking our vehicle.
நீங்க shut up பண்ணுங்க.
Pranesh, you play music.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Call Jeevan.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
What happened? Tell me.
Pranesh, please reduce the volume. Hello.
Hi Jivan, Dad speaking.
Hi, Dad.
Where are you?
Dad, I am on the way. Are you reached?
No da.
What happened?
Small problem in my car. I changed with my friend car.
Where are you now?
Now we crossed Manimangalam Lake.
Okay, Dad. We will reach
Okay,
soon.
Jeep.
Hello. Hello, Dad.
Hey guys, selfie time.
Look at that. Like this. Like this.
Oh,
You
yo.
look there and drive, ma.
You see that?
ஏய் யாராவது எல்லாம் போ இந்த பக்கம் கிளம்பு கிளம்பு இந்த புள்ள யார் கூட கிளம்பு
You guys, look at there.
For what? What?
Brake failure amma.
போ 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 நிக்காத நிக்காத
Go, carefully.
Friend car. Now we crossed Manimangalam Lake.
Hey, Kirti. Stop the car.
What?
Stop.
What happened?
Stop.
Hey, Jeevan. What the?
Hey, Jeevan.
My mom phone here. Hey, my mom phone here. Hey,
Mom phone?
my mom phone here. Ayo.
It's a small defect, na. Leave it, leave it. Nothing will happen.
My mom for here. My mom for here. My mom. My mom for my mom for action. See, my mom for here.
Okay. Hold on, Jivan. Hold on.
What happened here? What happened here?
Hold on. Hey, Jivan. Accident patient.
First floor.
First floor, huh?
The world's biggest pain is seeing others in trouble due to my mistake. Hey, Jeevan. Come. See this.
Hey, super, yeah? Rakshan, Jeevan, Kirti.
Hey, it's not a OK component.
Oh.
Go and work properly. Go.
Okay. Hey, you
Don't
keep
repeat
separately.
again.
We'll see
Go.
later. Okay.
Hi, Rakshan.
Hi. How are you?
Fine.
Why are you here?
Today you have a training.
Training?
Yeah.
I have a lot of works. Daily you are calling for training mates. How can I come?
No, you should attend the training.
No, not
It is
possible.
for your knowledge.
No.
You must come.
Go.
Hurry.
Go and do your
Hey,
work.
your shift is just coming. Bye.
Rakshan, what are you doing?
Sir.
Don't speak while doing final
Okay, sir.
inspection.
Finish,
You
finish.
don't know the value
Finish,
of
sir.
time.
Hey, Raksha.
Yeah,
Where is the river component?
that component. It's gone. It's a small defect now. Leave it. Nothing will happen.
Hey.
Dad.
Hey, Raksha.
Are you okay, Dad?
Huh?
I was scared, Dad.
Nothing
I was
happened.
scared,
Don't
Dad.
worry. Why you are crying? Don't worry. We are fine. Nothing to worry. Cool.
Nothing, no, Dad. Nothing.
Nothing to worry. We are fine. Why do you worry? We are fine. Nothing. Cool. Nothing.
Dad,
Nothing to worry.
Mom.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Calm down.
I was worried.
It's okay.
Mom.
Jeevan, why are you crying?
Are you okay, no?
Are you okay?
I didn't expect.
Yeah, sure. Nothing to worry.
You sure?
Yeah,
I
sure.
was scared, Mom. You sure, no?
Nothing, baby. No problem. Don't cry.
Direction.
What?
Give me your hand. You know, today is
What?
Raksha Bandhan.
My friends are waiting. I have to go.
Wait.
What?
Hey,
Okay, bye.
where are you going? Give me gift.
Shut. What is this?
Bro, you are not only my brother, my father, mother, everything.
Sure. What happened?
Rakshan? What happened?
Hey, what happened?
My sister.
Sister?
Hello, Rakshan, where are you?
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Okay.
Hey, brake not working. Oh my god. See the girl. Hey. Look at there. Hey, no, nothing. Nothing happened. Rakshan's sister. Listen to me, Rakshan. Please stay now. Please, Rakshan. Cool. Nothing will happen. Pray. Rakshan, relax, Rakshan.
One thing, keep in your mind, this world is very small. And whatever do us a mistake today, indirectly or directly, it will definitely affect you one day.
Hey, rework Comnan.
Small mistake, nothing will happen.
No, never. Whatever you do as a mistake today, definitely it will affect you one day.
Namaste. The keyword of our company strategy is quality and growth. Quality is the major driving factor for bringing new business from existing customer as well as new customer. Let's keep basic and achieve zero defect for our future growth. Please don't forget, zero defect is all about human life.